Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Start by ensuring the WF-1000 Xm5 earbuds and charging case have battery. Charge them to at least 50% before you begin. Keep both earbuds in the case and leave your phone's Bluetooth settings page visible so you can confirm the device name quickly. Press and hold the small pairing button on the case for 7 seconds until the LED flashes blue. This forces the earbuds into Bluetooth pairing mode that communicates over the 2.4 GHz band with nearby devices. With the earbud LED flashing blue, scan available devices in your phone's Bluetooth settings and choose the entry labeled WF-1000 Xm5 or Sony WF-1000 Xm5. If the phone prompts for confirmation, tap Pair. If a PIN is requested, enter 0000. After you select the device, wait 10 to 15 seconds for the connection to establish. Your phone should display connected, and audio will automatically route to the earbuds, so you can test sound using a quick music or video playback check. If pairing fails after 2 attempts, reset the WF-1000 Xm5 by holding the case pairing button for 15 seconds, then repeat the 7-second procedure and try again. During pairing, keep the phone within 10 meters and away from competing 2.4 GHz devices like Wi-Fi routers to reduce interference. Finally, install and open the Sony Headphones Connect app to check firmware, finalize settings, and confirm the connection. The app also shows battery percentage and lets you manage device names for future one-tap reconnects.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.